If you happen to buy a 2019 Kia Optima, you might want to get back to the dealership for this recall. If you're a first timer here, I'm Kevin, this is Real Steel Cars. If you enjoy automotive news or just talking about what's going on in the automotive world, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Now back to the Kia. If you have one, these things have been dubbed by some one of the safest cars in its class. From lane departure assist, front collision warnings, emergency braking, all those things make the car a very safe car to drive. Obviously, in today's world, we get distracted by phones and texting, or we're thinking about work or thinking about what we have to do when we get home. And Kia has done a very good job of trying to keep us safe by adding all these features. But when you add all these electronics and all these features, you are obviously going to open yourself up to a world of electrical issues, software issues, things like that. And that just happens to be the case with this 2019 Kia Optima. There happened to be a software error in the car that controls the forward collision warning. The software error has failed to warn the driver of stationary vehicles that's having a hard time detecting. So Kia has ran the diagnostics on this on many vehicles. There has not been any reported major accidents due to this, but Kia has quickly picked up on the fact that there is an error and they want to fix it before it becomes a problem. This specific recall will affect 11,453 vehicles. If your vehicle falls under one of these categories, you might want to get back to the dealership. If you have a 2019 model built between May 21st of 2018 and May 29th of 2019, this will fall under the category of this recall. These cars also are equipped with the 1.6 liter inline 4 or the 2 liter turbo inline 4. Kia said the models with the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder engine have not been affected by this. Obviously, since this is a software issue, it is easily fixed with just a little bit of reprogramming, and Kia will be issuing recall notifications on August 27th. So if you happen to find yourself owning one of these models, make sure you get it back to the dealership for that recall. You don't want to accidentally rear end somebody, and that would just be a horrible thing to do. I used to own a 2013 Kia Optima. They are great cars, so don't let this deter you. It's an easy fix. They'll take care of it, and you'll be happy with the car for years to come. So this isn't going to be a long, drawn-out discussion, and I just wanted to get it out there to you, let you know the recall that's happening, and just take it back to the dealership, get it fixed, get on your way. Don't let it upset you. It's not something that's going to really affect the longevity of the car or anything like that. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.